Hi everyone, I'm Mary Beth from babysavers.com. Welcome back to my channel, and I am here to unbox the Fall 2020 Fab Fit Fun Box. So this is my second Fab Fit Fun Box. The first one that I received was summer 2020, and I loved so much of what was inside of it, so I am extra excited about receiving this one now that I know how good some of the stuff can be in here. So here it is, the Fall 2020 box. All right. I'm like very excited to see what's inside. So you can start out with the magazine. I will take a look at that later. Also, that has some spoilers in here for the box, so I'm not going to look at that too. Not going to look at it at all right now, actually. And then a HelloFresh code and a Bright Sellers coupon. So sometimes you don't need an inspirational quote, you just need wine. That's cute. All right. Paper. Oh. Okay, this is already really good. This is like super good. First, inside of the box is pretty. I love yellow. It's my favorite color, and looking at it just makes me happy. So I do like the inside. All right, so getting started. First, Beauty Papier Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. It's enriched with supercharging ingredients of pumpkin, argan, apricot, aloe vera, and orange. Wonder, smell it? Oh, that smells super good. It's very fall, like, Oh, that's nice. It's like a really warm smell. Like definitely you can smell the pumpkin and a little bit of orange, and it definitely smells like it has like some vanilla and maybe some spice in it. It's very nice. All right, next, 8 Other Reasons. Oh, these are super pretty. So these are those alligator hair clips. So there's one in pink, one in like a gray, and one in white, and they're sort of like a pearlized marble, and they're gorgeous. Really, really pretty. All right. Oh, next, the Laundress. I have seen this brand before, but Crease Release Classic. So removes wrinkles. So it's a wrinkle remover spray. Always nice to have. I actually just used a different brand of wrinkle release spray before I started this video because I thought that my shirt's a little up anyway, but I thought it looked a little sloppy. So then Hythe, I think that's how you pronounce it, Hythe Tranquility Sleep Mist. And it's formulated with powerful ingredients that relax your senses and soothe your skin. This calming lavender scented mist creates a tranquil sleep environment while promoting a healthy complexion. So it has witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. Interesting. I'm not gonna, well, I do really want to open it. I'm going to. Here, has a sticker seal. All right, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming environment. So it is a pillow and linen spray. All right. Then, Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. That's nice too. This is a great makeup brand, so that's super fun. And it's clear. We'll just open that up too. All right. That's fun. Then we have some, I just want to make sure I get everything this time because last time I did miss something in my video, and some nice person actually commented to tell me that I missed a little perfume roller bottle that was in the bottom of the box because it was very small. So I am going to make sure I empty all the papers out and everything before I say that I'm done with all of this. Okay, so here is, I think this is going to be really great. Okay, so this is, I believe it's pronounced Botkier, but it could be Botkier. It could be Botkier. A very nice brand of bags. Oh, it's a little backpack. Look how fun that is. This is super great. If traveling was allowed, and if I was traveling, I think I would love this because it's so small. So the straps look super small, but they are adjustable. Okay. Put that on. What do we think? I really like it. That's really great. Okay. Oh, I have my arm caught in there. All right, that is quite cute. It has 2 zipper pockets here and 1 inner zipper pocket right here. Just nice and compact and really good for when you don't need a really big bag. All right, then it looks like we have, I will see if it says something. Oh, it's blue light blocking eyewear. Nectar. I wonder if this is the same brand as it's probably not the same brand as the mattresses, but these are cute. Oh, it's weird when you look through the lenses, it almost does look blue, but it's supposed to block blue light. I can't see myself, so I don't know what they look like, but they look, the frames are really cute. I love the tortoiseshell and the round frames. That's super trendy. And I've heard great things about blue light blocking glasses, especially since I spend a lot of time in front of the computer every day, just like, you know, anyone else with an office job. So I'm pretty excited to try those. I hope they look okay because I won't be able to look until after this video. Unless like the next thing is a mirror. If it is a mirror, then I'll look. I don't think it is though. And finally, or what I think is finally, I will double check after. Oh, I better just read the label. Okay, it's Beyond Yoga. Oh, I don't know what it is, but it feels really nice. It's super soft. It's a pocket infinity scarf. Okay, and there is a pocket here. I suppose it would be good for, like, if you wear this while you're exercising, if you go outside and you just need your phone and maybe your keys. It feels so nice. It is like buttery smooth soft. I'm gonna check the fabric because, oh, look at their little logo in Beyond Yoga. Okay, it's 95% polyester, 5% elastane. And it just has some washing instructions in here. But this is, I don't do yoga, so I'm not sure exactly how this would fit into like yoga wear and workout wear, but it is very nice. And honestly, like pocket or not, I will definitely be using this as the weather cools off because I always say I live in Minnesota and I say like I just need something to cover my hands and something to cover my neck. That's enough to keep me warm enough. It's not like I'm like roasting in it. It's not like it's going to keep me warm for a long time, but it is just enough. And then I don't feel weighed down once I get inside with a big bulky coat. So I can't stop playing with it because it feels so soft. So this is really, really nice. Okay. So that is Beyond Yoga Infinity Scarf. And I am just going to go through here and make sure that I got everything. I don't want to miss anything. And I'm so glad that I didn't actually have to throw anything away last time. Okay, so that is everything. Empty box. So put all of that away. Now I'm just going to line everything up all nice and neat so you can see all of it. And just so you know, this is I believe the total value is $214. And you can use the promo code to The promo code is Baby Savers. You could save it $10 and get free shipping on your first box. And you can also check the comments. You could check the caption below where I wrote it out, and there will be a special link to use. And there might be an alternative promo code that could be better than the Baby Savers promo code. So just be sure to check the caption before you click to buy. Give me a minute and I will get this all laid out nice and neat. All right, we're back. And this is everything that came in the Fall 2020 FabFitFun Box. So we have the blue light blocking glasses from Nectar, the Beyond Yoga Infinity Scarf, the Hythe linen spray, the Laundress wrinkle or crease release spray, Anastasia pure brow gel, Beauty Papier golden superfood shower gel, which smells amazing. I'm gonna smell it one more time. It smells so good. The 8 Other Reasons alligator hair clips with the marble design on them, and the Botkier backpack bag. Super cute. All in all, it is a total value of $214, and you can use either the code Baby Savers or the code below in the caption to save at least $10 and get free shipping on your first box. So if you have any questions about anything in here that I received, be sure to leave a comment. If you order a box of your own, please let me know. And if you have any feedback about this box, I would also love to hear it. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.